Welcome to Shruti's Online School, where we believe that learning should always be fun. Get your notebook, pen, pencil, eraser ready. Keep your mind focused and let's start learning. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about various numeral system. So, two types of numeral system about which we are going to learn in this chapter are Hindu-Arabic numeral system and the other one is Roman. Now, what is Hindu-Arabic numeral system? The numbers which we use in our day-to-day life 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. Okay, and with the help of these digits, whatever numbers are formed, those all are called as Hindu-Arabic numbers. Just for example, if I write 23,000, so this is formed by sum of these digits, so that is called as a Hindu-Arabic number. Similarly, I write 25, I write 389, I write 489, I write 1234, I write 90,123, or else I write 5 lakh and 10. So all these numbers are called as the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now we see the next set of numbers which are called as Roman numerals. Roman numerals is also one such system where numbers are denoted using the letters. 1 is used to show 1. If this 1 is written 2 times, it becomes 2. If this is written 3 times, it is 3. Then we have something called as V. And before V, if I write this I, this is called as 4. Then V stands for 5. So here we have another numbers as X, which stands for 10. Then we have L, which stands for 50. Then we have C, which stands for 100. D stands for 500. And M stands for 1000. These are various Roman numerals. These are various Roman numerals. Now, how to write these Roman numerals accurately and correctly, we are going to see further. There are certain rules which are really very simple. First rule says if symbol is repeated, its value is added based on occurrences. For example, if I write only one I, this means first. But if I write 2 times I, it means 2. If I write 3 times, it is called 3. Now you will tell, okay, we write 4 times and then this is 4. No. A symbol, rule number 2 is, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. So therefore we can repeat it only once and twice. So 1, 2, 3 only can be written like this. This is not to be written, so we just erase it. Now we proceed further. Like for example, X stands for 10. 2 times you write it, it stands for 20. You write it 3 times, it stands for 30. But you cannot write it 4 times because rule number 2 says a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. Apart from that, now we go to rule number 2. Rule number 2 says a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. So symbol of 1 and 10. You cannot repeat more than 3 times. After that, the other symbols of 5, 5th, L, that is for 50. D, this is never repeated. All the things, L, C, D, and these all are never repeated. So this, if you write like this, 5 and 5 is 10. This is not the way of writing. It is wrong because it cannot be repeated. Same way you cannot do L and L. We write 50 and 50 is 100. So this is wrong. Okay, you write D and D. That is, you write it 500, 500, 1000. No, it is wrong. Therefore, we do not have 5 and 5 for 10, whereas we have 10 for 10, X for 10. We do not have LL 2 times, but we have C for showing 100. This is correct. We do not have DD 2 times, whereas we have M for showing 1000. These all are the correct ways, whereas these all are the wrong ways. So we just keep it, no problem. Then we have another rule. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of the greater value, the value is subtracted, that is minus. For example, this is 5. On the left hand side you have 1. So here 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Similarly, this is 10. Before that you have 1. So this we write it as 9. And we can have one more example. This is L, that is 50. Before that you have 10. So 50 minus 10 will give you 40. Then if we have to write before C, X, that is before 100 we write 10. So 100 minus 10 is 90. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now we move on to the next rule. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right side of the greater value, value is added. Just for example, this is 5. We write 1. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. This is 10. We add 1. So this is 10 plus 1, 11. Similarly, if I add X, that is 50 is added with 10, it will give you 60. Along with C, that is 100, I add 10. This will be giving us 110, and so on. Now we move on to the next rule. Which says that V, L and D, V is 5, L is 50, D is 500. They are never written to the left of symbol of greater value. Your 1 can be subtracted from V and X. That is, we have already written it, 1 and V is equal to 4, 5 minus 1. And also 1 and X is equal to 10 minus 1, 9. But you cannot write this 5. V, L and D are never written to the left of symbol of greater value. Okay, for example, you cannot write with 10 this way V. So this is not going to give you any answer. This is absolutely wrong. Similarly, you cannot write L to the left of any greater value C. This is also considered as wrong. Similarly, you cannot write to the left side of D M. That is also considered as wrong. And you cannot write vice versa also. We cannot write to the left of symbol of greater value in front of D. We cannot write C. This is also considered as wrong. And the last rule is that X, 10 can be subtracted from L, M and C only. Like for example, if we write this is 50, before that if we write X, so this is 50 minus 10 is equal to 40, this is correct. Similarly, you write M, so M is 1000, before that you write 10, so 1000 minus 10 will give us 990. This is correct way of denoting. C, that stands for 100, before that you write X, so 100 minus 10 is 90. These all are also correct. Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please like, share and subscribe to Shruti's online school. Your subscription really matters to me. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to be alerted for new videos. See you in the next lesson. Bye.